I became interested in nutrition when I was in high school, when I had to decide what I would want to do after high school. Would I go to college? And if I did, what would be my major? So I decided that nutrition was something which I would like to do to try to help more people and also to help my family, since my father had heart disease for a long time, so I really wanted to help him. I'm Ellen Goldman, registered dietitian for Greaterland Senior Services, and today I'm having a nutrition education class on healthy holiday eating. We do have a translator for those who speak Spanish who would like to come to the class. During the holiday season, which usually starts in October around Halloween, we all tend to eat more and usually a lot of foods which we shouldn't be eating. So today I'll be giving some ideas of how we can cut down on some of these unhealthy foods and how we can make some of the foods that we enjoy healthier. And also, if we do eat more than we should during this season, what can we do afterwards to try to make up for it? One example could be that instead of oil in a cake mix, you can substitute applesauce or mashed banana. Certain recipes which we tend to make unhealthy when they're very healthy to start with, like sweet potato. A typical recipe is to add marshmallows and brown sugar, but if you just add some pineapple or some pineapple juice and mix it together, it actually is very flavorful and will save you a lot of calories. Food safety is very important year-round, but especially around the holidays. Make sure that you cook foods to the proper temperature, and if you have foods out on the table, make sure that you keep hot foods hot and cold foods cold. And also make sure you refrigerate leftovers within 2 hours. If you feel that you did eat too much over the holidays, probably one of the best things to do is try to get more exercise, use more calories, take walks, and maybe go to a gym if you can, and also try to cut down on foods with empty calories like your cakes and cookies, those things which we probably ate too much of during the holidays. If you are invited to a party, or probably more than one party, probably one thing you should do ahead of time is not to come too hungry. If you have a snack ahead, either some fruit or some cheese, or even a piece of whole grain toast, or some whole wheat crackers with peanut butter, you might find that you're not too hungry when you get to the party. And then try to have small portions of the foods that you want to eat, even if they are high calorie. If you have some of everything, then you might find that you won't overindulge in too many of the high calorie foods. My favorite dish during the holidays is actually cooking the turkey, because I find it's very easy to cook because the oven does all the work. So once I put the turkey in the oven, I don't have to think about it for at least 4 hours. And also my family enjoys the leftovers, and I do too, because it might be a couple days where I won't need to cook. Have a happy holiday season and try to eat healthy.